Let's go, bro.
Thank you for coming today to the Athletes Lounge here at Hermosa. Minsan lang tayo naglo-launch ng mga bike, and when we do, it has to be really special. For this day, it is the all-new Trek Madon, obviously.
Again, thank you. We hope that you enjoy. Aside from the launch, of course, we're launching a bike today. But more than the launch, okay din makapag-usap-usap tayo.
Arnel, Bike Demo Day, Coach Merlin, Coach Julian, Pastor Ticoy, of course, Trek Road PH, Spectra, our partners, audiovisual, CBN.
Alam naman natin, di ba? Before, alam mo yung feeling na tinanong ka?
If you're an Amanda rider, you're getting a much faster bike with the new Madone, but it's the same weight. If you're a Madone rider, you're getting a bike that's much lighter weight, but it's the same aerodynamics.
Ready, count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Congratulations, Team Dan Trek. The launch of all new Madon Gen 8. Now available to order. And for those who want to share this experience on social media, please share with the hashtags TrekBikesPH, hashtag TrekMadon, hashtag Ultimate Race Bike. For those who want to inquire about pricing and availability for Project One, just approach the sales associates in the area.